How to add Dkim in Godaddy. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'll let you guys know the ways to add Dkim in Godaddy. To do this, you have to follow the simple steps. Now first thing, you have to get the Dkim key. So in the GetResponse, in the GetResponse dashboard, click on Profile, then go to Emails and Domains. After which, in the email address tab, on the email address tab, click Update DNS record next to the domain name. Now if you like to generate the Dkim key for, then you could go ahead and do it. So after which, you want to go ahead and copy the host name and value from the pop-up windows. Now it's the steps to add Dkim record in Godaddy. Now these steps will enable you to add the necessary Dkim record for your domain within Godaddy's DNS settings. Now log into your Godaddy account and click the profile on the top right, then go to My Product on the drop down menu. Then on the next page, you want to find your domain and click on DNS. After which, you want to click on Add New Record. Then for the next step, you want to select the record type TXT. After which, you want to select the record type TXT. Now paste in the host name you got from your GetResponse account. Then you want to paste the Dkim value copied from your GetResponse account. After which, you want to leave the TTL value as is and hit save when ready. Then you'll have successfully added Dkim in Godaddy. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.